We're in Alley Pond Park in New York, and we're going on an adventure in the snow. Obviously, I'm not used to this because I'm from Florida.
Are you?
So, yep, this is pretty exciting. It's kind of a little bit snowy. Yesterday, we saw some flurries, so that was exciting. So, let's go. This right here behind us might be Alley Pond, but we're not really sure, but it's very pretty. So there's an ice rescue ladder. I've definitely never seen anything like that before. So that's kind of cool, Stairs time. Let's do this. We found a little ferry area with a dinosaur and some gnomes. Yep, overlooking the second pond right there. Almost back to the car, and this was my first time hiking in snow. Pretty cool. Definitely enjoyed it. So coming from the parking lot, this park has lots of things to do. There's a field, high ropes course, bathroom, playground. Yep, lots of things to do.